now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We throwing it back, man. We got an unboxing, and this is kind of my stay-at-home unboxing. Just show you a couple things that I've copped since we, haven't really been outside and on the move. I've been doing a lot of like clearance sale hunting for shoes that I can walk around in, I can just chill in, and shoes I have just wanted to accumulate more pairs of, stuff like that. The first would be a golf shoe. This is kind of dirty because I just played today, but the Nike Roshe golf shoe. I really like this shoe. It feels nice on foot. I walked 9 today, so it felt great. It held up great. My feet did not hurt after the round. I have a super flat foot, so golf shoes are I'm real picky about them. But this is a shoe that so far in dry weather, it has suited me well. Yeah, the Nike Roshe golf shoe. I guess I do have a box to open. Well, so I got 3 pairs. Partially because I fell for the hype. I fell for the hype on these, and their best slide that is the most comfortable. So I copped some pairs. I don't know if they keep selling out and restocking, so if you're able to, it's like 45 bucks. The Nike Asuna Slide, I want to say that's how you pronounce it. Nike Asuna Slide. They say if you're a half size, go up, because I think they only have full sizes. But yeah, so it's an interesting looking slide. Off rip, it's a very interesting looking slide. The material feels like it would be comfortable, but is it gonna be as comfortable as my Adidas Cloud Foam slide? This slide is ridiculously comfortable. And if we're talking about slides that aren't comfortable are some of the designer kind of just no real comfort shoe, but they just obviously are designer. So the Adidas Cloud Foam is definitely the front runner in the clubhouse. But the Asuna Slide looks interesting. It looks kind of like a bag that has a tie on the front. I don't know. It seems interesting, but you can kind of get a gist. I think you can tighten them too. I think that's what this string means. Yes, you can. And hey, they feel comfortable. They feel real comfortable. Cloud Foam comfort, I'm not too sure. But definitely a Nike slide that feels like it would be a little bit more comfortable than the normal Nike slides I'm used to. I actually have none as of right now. Asuna Slide. I got three pairs, so might be giving some out as gifts. I'll go to a shoe that I don't know if I've ever reviewed or even purchased a pair, but my first pair, it's got to be something that's gonna stand out. First pair of New Balance 997s. A pair I found on clearance, so I end up getting these for 60 bucks or something, but they look sweet. I haven't put them on, so I can't tell you comfort or anything, but just the look. And obviously New Balance has really nice quality shoes. Yeah, so it's a little slept on pair, a little pair for the summer. It looks like if I ever go to Florida, Miami, I might just throw these in the bag, and that's all I can say. And for the last shoe that we have copped recently, make sure I'm not missing nothing. The last shoe that we've copped recently are just a pair of NMD R1s. So yeah, I like this shoe just because it had the Adidas thing running all throughout the midsole, and they used to say you couldn't do anything to the boost, but obviously they just dress it up now, do whatever they want. There's so many different pairs of NMDs, so it's kind of just one of those things. If it's just an all black pair or something like that, all white, I'll try to cop and just rock whenever. I just throw it on if I'm running somewhere or doing anything. Just an easy shoe, and I'm pretty sure these were on clearance. I don't know if any of the shoes are. I don't do like affiliate links or anything, but I don't know if any of the shoes are still available. But these are just some things that I was searching around for. I go to Foot Locker sale, Nike sale, and I just kind of look around and see what's available in my size 12. So yeah, it's also cool. It has the Adidas written on there. But yeah, wanted to share with you unboxing some cops, and we'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe, everybody, and unboxing gang. We back.